Good morning, students. Today in this class we are going to see about mosquito control measures. In that first measure is anti-larval measures. In that we have seen in the last class about environmental control. I hope you are remembering regarding the type of mosquitoes prevalent in the specific area. The control measures will be made in, and accordingly minor engineering works and other environmental modifications can be done so that we can control a group of mosquitoes. Next is chemical control. Chemical control commonly used larvicides. We can use any type of larvicides to kill these larvae. And another method, chemical method is use of mineral oils, diesel oil, fuel oil, kerosene, and mosquito larvicidal oils can be used. So what is happening is that once this oil is being spread over the water, stagnant water, a thin film is being formed by this oil, and it cuts the air supply to the larvae and to the pupae. Thereby it renders water unfit for drinking and kills the fish. So kills the fish in the sense it is killing the larvicide. Along with that, it is killing the aquatic life also, and since the chemical is being added, it is not suitable for drinking. So if there is a stagnation of water or a pond where there is a stagnant of water and we feel that there are a lot of larvae mosquito prevalent in that area, then we can use this method, thereby which we can control the mosquito control we can use as a mosquito control measure. Next chemical method is Paris green. So this is the picture of a Paris green. So it is a microcrystalline powder which is practically insoluble in water, and it is a stomach poison, and be effective it must be ingested by larvae. So this is being spilled over the breeding area, and these larvae take this crystal powder. Thereby it is a stomach poison, and these larvae will get off. So it kills many Anopheles larvae because they are surface feeders. So as it is a surface feeders, we can see the larvae on the surfaces. Majority Anopheles Anopheles larvae can be killed with the help of the Paris scheme. And then synthetic insecticides, Fenthion, chlorpyrifos, and abate are the most effective larvicides. So there are many other types of synthetic insecticides available in the market. You can purchase any of them and use in the breeding places so that you can kill the mosquitoes. Biological control measures. So small fish feed on mosquito larvae. For example, Gambusia affins. It is a fish. If this fish is being kept on the ornamental pots or stagnant water, this fish will have these larvae. Thereby we can control the mosquitoes. These fish can be used in burrow pits, ornamental ponds, and farm pots. Okay. Next, so this is all about anti-larval measures. In that we have seen about environmental measures, chemical control measures, and biological measures. And anti-adult measures, first one is residual sprays. So with residual insecticides like DDT is the insecticide of choice. 1 to 2 grams of DDT per square meter are applied 1 to 3 times a year. Especially it is being sprayed to the walls and other surfaces the mosquitoes rest. So thereby these mosquitoes can be killed. If DDT is resistant, Malathion or Propoxor are the other recommended sprays it is being used. So residual insecticide, so these are being sprayed in specific areas to kill the anti-adult measures to kill the mosquitoes. So this is the dose, and if it is this it is like fogging method. So this spraying is being done on the walls on the mosquito prevalent area, especially in the corners and all. Thereby it killed the mosquitoes. So this has to be sprayed once in a week or 2 to 3 times a year. It has to be sprayed to the walls. So thereby it could able to kill the mosquitoes. Next is space sprays. So this is the insecticidal formulation, and this method is not much used because DDT seems to be very unhealthy for inhalation of the human beings. so thereby it is having that much of chemicals and causing lot of health issues, so we are not in use of this method. Next is spray sprays. It is insecticidal formulation is sprayed into the atmosphere in the form of a mist or a fog to kill the insects. So this is like a insecticidal formulation, especially from the panchayat and all. You might have seen during the time of rainy season or just before rainy season, the health this employees from the health department, like from the panchayat, they will be coming to the specific locality, and especially in the mosquito prevalent areas and drainage areas and all, they will be fogging these insecticidal sprays to kill these arthropods. Common space sprays like pyrethrum extract, it is a nerve poison and kills insects instantly on mere contact. So dose is 1 ounce per 1000 cubic feet of space, and the doors and windows are kept closed for half an hour after this spray. So another spray is called as pyrethrum extract. So it is a nerve poison which is sprayed, and after the spraying the doors and windows has to be kept closed for half an hour, so that it instantly it will kill all the mosquitoes. And half an hour, once you open the doors and windows, you can see a lot many of mosquitoes on the floor. Residual insecticides, it is a ultra low volume space spraying. Most extensively used insecticide are malathion and phenithrothion. So these are the residual insecticides that is being sprayed, that is malathion and phenithrothion. So this is also space spraying, and in a very frequently these type of insecticides are also being sprayed. So next is genetic control. Here the sterile male technique, chromosomal translocation are being done for the these mosquitoes, and this is under research. We are not much in use about this method. Next is protection of mosquito bites. So this is all about anti-adult measures and anti-larval measures, and what can be done for us so that we can protect us from mosquito bite. First and foremost is the mosquito net. Preferably we are, especially in the hostels and all, you might have felt this prevalence of mosquitoes in that locality, in your hostels and all. So even though we are doing the spraying, fogging and all, we advise the students and others to use the mosquito net, sleep under the mosquito net. Especially we are advising to have white mosquito net, so we could able to detect the mosquitoes well, and immediately if any one mosquito enter into your bed counter, you can remove that. Best pattern is a rectangular net. We are using rectangular net, and size of the opening in the net should not exceed 0.04 inch in any diameter. Okay, so the size of the opening is 0.04 inch. So only that much of size should be there. Then only the purpose will be met. Number of holes in a square is 150. Okay. So next is screening. So screening is another common method we are using, that is screening of the building with copper or bronze gauze. It is being done. It is costly, but it gives excellent result. If you feel to keep the windows and doors open, if you are keeping this screening over these windows and doors, now presently everyone is doing that, so that the mosquitoes will not enter and you can get fresh air from outside also. Repellents, that is diethyl toluamide, it is found to be an outstanding all-purpose repellent. So any type of you might have used this, or you might have seen an advertisement about this repellent. So it is the name, the chemical that is being used is diethyl toluamide. So it is a repellent used to kill the mosquitoes. It will not touch your body because it is mainly applied on the skin. Short duration of protection is enhanced. So just before sleeping, if you apply, the trade name is called as Odomos. You might have heard about this Odomos. So in that way, there are different types of repellent available in the markets. So anything can be used, and which will give it can be applied on the skin, and after it gives a protection for a specific period of duration. And there is another repellent also presently available in market, that is about cloth repellent.